The 2011 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, trip computer, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, heated driver's seat, remote power door locks, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation, driver memory seats, rear parking aid. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.